Afternoon, everyone. Steve Burnett here from CutThatCableBill.com. Once again, that's CutThatCableBill.com. And ooh boy, I know why you're here today. You're here for our Thanksgiving Black Friday IPTV special. And here's what makes it special. If you are an IPTV user or anyone who's been keeping up with the news lately in the past 2 to 3 weeks, it has been absolutely crazy. About a month and a half ago, Xtreme codes got raided overseas. Over 50 million people lost their services. Last week, the owner of Gears TV and Gears Reloaded was actually raided by the FBI, and he did a live showing of everything that was happening. And in fact, I'm going to include that video in the description below. But the main thing that's going on right now is he lost over 500,000 customers, and we have millions of people trying to find a home. And I have a phone and a home for you as well. We want to make sure that we give you the exact same HBO, the exact same pay-per-view, the exact same Cinemax, the exact same Showtime, Stars, local channels, NFL League, NBA League, everything that you need. But here's what we're going to do today for Black Friday and Thanksgiving. Just for trying us out, and if you decide not to join our family, we want to give you a movie app for free with over 5,000 movies. That's right, ladies. Ladies and gentlemen, I do apologize. That's right. Even if you decide not to join our family, we're still going to provide you with a free movie app for life. In fact, the number that you see right here, that code 90210, text that code to that number. That is your secret code for your Black Friday and IPTV service special that we're doing this week. The other thing that's amazing is when you send that text to that number, a live person is actually going to get in contact with you to assist you in getting started and using our IPTV service. And the thing that I love about it the most is we save an average person over $1,000 a year by cutting their cable bill and getting them to a streaming service. Once again, this is Steve Burnett from CutThatCableBill.com. I truly hope you enjoy your vacation, and I hope to talk to you soon. Bye-bye.